Greetings, fellow pagan pals. Bella Rosa here for another episode of my pagan pal crafts and such. And if you've been stuck, lost, or unmotivated and are in need of change, then channel your higher self and your soul's mission with the power of the full moon in Aries with this right path oil. We'll use this oil in spell work, so stick around for that at the end of the video. You'll need a dropper bottle. I bought these at Hobby Lobby. They're plastic, but you can get the glass ones. You'll also need a carrier oil to dilute your essential oils. I'm using grapeseed oil. The scent is neutral, so it won't interfere with our EOs. Next up is choosing our EOs. I purchased this set from Amazon. It's a nice assortment of organic essential oils. The link to it is in the description box below. With this oil blend, we want to evoke change through the invitation of new opportunities coming our way, so I'm using bergamot, which is associated with prosperity, confidence, and success. Also, it relates to uplifting energies, which can also raise the fog and allow us to see our path clearly. The full moon calls us to propel ourselves forward, especially with the driving force of the ram, but we need to drop the baggage that's dragging us down, right? I mean, we can't realign ourselves with stress, so I'll use lavender to aid in decompressing. We'll need tenacity and toughness too, because getting on the right path is not without its trials and errors, so patchouli should help us to achieve that. All three of these together will help us to focus our mind, boost our confidence, and give us the courage we need to lead ourselves to our goals without stressing out too much. This bottle holds 1 ounce of liquid, and I'm just following the directions. For my needs, I'm going to add 10 drops of each essential oil for a total of 30 drops, and then I'm topping it off with grapeseed oil. Leave some room at the top just in case you want to make adjustments. I'm adding a label here for future reference and listing properties that relate to it, such as assertive energy, higher self, focus, and confidence. I'll leave the full list below. On the front of my label, I'm drawing the astrological sign for Aries in red to represent fierce inspiration. Now that we have our oil here, let's put it to use in some spell work, but before we get our witch on, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Begin by preparing your sacred space. I'm just casting a circle with some smudging, sprinkling blessing water, and lighting a white candle. Close your eyes and take a few breaths to center yourself before starting. I have a chant listed below that I created for you to follow. With a piece of paper and a black pastel, draw a triple moon goddess symbol, and with each line drawn, say a line from the chant. So as I form this line for the circle, I'm saying, energy of Aries, I call to you. For this curved line, I'm saying, guide me to my life's purpose. The third line, fuel my mind with your focus. The fourth, fill my heart with your courage. The fifth, charge my soul with your strength. Then with the first half of the symbol of the ram, bring my true calling to the surface. And the second half, grant me your wisdom on this full moon. Since our emphasis is on the full moon, I'm tracing the circle of the triple goddess symbol over and over again with my index finger and repeating the chant over and over again. The blur of the pastel is symbolic of my conscious and subconscious mind working together. Visualize your energy flowing and connecting to the full moon. It's a cord of white light becoming stronger and brighter, running straight into your chest and encompassing your whole being. See a ram in your mind's eye emerging from the moon. Welcome its glowing red light and vigor into your spirit. Accept and merge yourself with its transformative nature to join your purpose to your higher self. When you're ready, take your oil and add a drop to each phase of the moon. Pause for a moment to take that energy that you raise and send it out to the universe. With your index finger, press on the waxing and waning crescents while stating a personal affirmation. I'm stating I am aligned with my higher self and I am on the right path. Firmly press the center, fold it into thirds, and make an imprint as you speak your closing statement. I'm saying, so mote it be. Complete your spell by setting it ablaze in your cauldron. I'm topping it off with a little bit of corn silk powder for good luck. Learn how to make it here, along with other ways to use corn husk silk. Leave your oil to charge in the light of the full moon and conjure up this spell if you're in need of the might of the ram in your life. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you next time for another episode of My Pagan Pal Crafts and such. Bye!